Go and tell them how good it is.
Yeah.
And how much you want it to come back again.
Absolutely.
There's no reason why we can't do this every year.
No.
And more.
Welcome to Rugeley, everyone. Nettie here, and today we are attending Rugeley's Rattle and Roll Classic Car and Motorbike Show on Sunday the 19th of April 2026. So let's have a little wander around the town and see what it's all about. Hopefully this is the first of many, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit bigger, and if you like the look of this, maybe next time get involved and bring your car along too. Anyway, enjoy.
Have you got your thing done now then? Yeah, that's why they're playing Sunderland. I said for one day only, I'll be supporting them there. I mean, Sunderland for Nana Jenny.
It's a whopper, isn't it?
He's the only one I can tell to support it. All right then, bye man. Oh yeah, is that American car, is it? I like that. I like that.
That's awesome, isn't it?
When me nanny's right now.
Very cool.
I bet he's only had it 18 months.
Yeah, that's it.
He went away for COVID.
Yeah, about the restoration.
Yes. You see, you could do this, you stopped with me, and it gets very technical.
You're just re-jogging my memory.
I know, I know he's had it for 4 years, and it went away, COVID
You knock yourself out of that coast.
Beautiful day.
Oh, thank God, the sun's come back out. Oh, the joke, you've got clubber here again. Look.
Oh, yeah.
These people.
All right.
No? Lovely. Did you say that way?
No, we're good.
Go back the way we came.
That was just a bit of dead on those.
Smells good.
Thank you very much. See you again. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Stupid people.
New Jersey again.
So cool.
Nothing yet, I'm just being nosy.
Oh, have we walked past it? I don't think we have.
I haven't seen that.
Good gaming shop opposite. Oh, lovely. Oh, sorry. I love it. I'll have one of each.
I wish I got it now. I used to love it.
Stunning.
I wouldn't want to be hit by that. Well, no, there's no crumple though. That's all motor. That's all. And it's all stiff, yeah. That'd really ruin your day.
Keep going. Yeah. All you do is play the board. Yeah. If someone goes between you and they're a bit better, you can't do anything about that. They're going to beat you anyway. But if you get a chance.
So beautiful.
It's a nice colour, isn't it?
Catch you later.
Gorgeous. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely the most beautiful car on earth. But it's got to be in white. Oh, the town crier. You're a pal? Oh, I love this town. Gorgeous. Can I have one in red?
No. Green.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's stunning. Yes, please. Our lovely coal miners. It's got a bit windy now. Hopefully, it's not too blowy on the microphone. Should we ever wander back down? What one's your favourite?
My DBS.
Is it? Oh, hello, Bat. You okay?
You alright?
Yes.
Got the chat.
I like that.
I don't like converting. 13.
I know you do. But I'll take it. Lovely. I swear that wasn't here earlier. Maybe we just... because I was looking at all the RS. The escorts. Maybe that's why.
These pair, I met these pair in Aldi car park.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Nice.
You're right.
Hello.
I just I met you pair in Aldi car park when I couldn't work out
How you doing? Yeah, good.
It's alright, isn't it? Doesn't have a reverse.
So as you can see, lots of lovely cars here today, and there is definitely room for more. So please do get involved if you can. We believe the next one is going to be August, but hopefully we'll have some more concrete dates from the organisers if they are running a second one. But I'd love everybody to get involved. If you do like the video, please subscribe and let me know if you'd like me to make more local videos about our area and more content. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Have a lovely weekend.